Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tochikumabo. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download any video from YouTube to your device, either your phone or your PC. This is because most times there are videos you watch and you love them and you would like to have them either on your PC or on your phone so that you can get access to it without logging in to YouTube in the future when you need the video. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. So be sure to watch this video from beginning to the end so that you don't miss any step. Having said that, if this is your first time on my channel, please consider subscribing. Hit that red subscribe button and turn on all the notifications so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first set of people that is going to watch it and of course get the most value out of it. And also, if you get value from this video, consider hitting that like button, hit that thumbs up so that YouTube can show this video to so many other people. Having said that, let's get down to business. So right now I'm going to open my browser. I'm using Chrome browser. I'll go in there and type in y2mate.com. So that is the name of the website. We go to y2mate.com. So we're going to open it and allow it to load. Now it's opening. Let's wait for it to finish opening. Okay, now this is the website. Now I will go back and go to YouTube. Let me go to YouTube. Either I go via my app. Let me go through my app. So I'm going to click on this to open YouTube. You can either open on your browser or through the app, whichever one. It's just the same thing. They will all land you on YouTube. Now we have landed on YouTube. I'm going to look for a video that is short so that it will not take much of our time showing you what I want to do. Okay, so let's look for any video here that is short so that we can use it. Okay, let's say for instance we want to download this particular video now by Lajumoke Custom Martins. So I'm going to click on the video to play it. Now once the video is playing, let's just say skip this ad. So what I need is just to click on this share button. Look at this share button here. So go ahead and click on this share button. Then click on copy. You can see copy here. So this is it here. Click on this copy here. Once you click on that, it's going to copy to your clipboard. So let's go back to y2mate.com, which we opened before, and allow it to load now. Okay, right now on this y2mate, we're going to paste the link which we copied. So you know how to paste. Just click and hold, then remove your hand, click on this paste, and allow it to load. Now it has dictated the video. Can you see that now? The video has appeared here. Now, if you watch out here, some ads will be popping up here because this is the free version of this y2mate. So ads will be popping up here to disrupt what you are doing, but just ignore them. Just ignore them. So if you watch here, you're going to see that we have so many things you can do here. One, you can download the video, or you download MP3, or you can just download the audio. Assuming it is the audio you need, you can just simply download the audio and leave the rest of it. So, but in this case, we want to download the video, and we're going to leave it on the video where it is, and then we're going to click on this green download button here. That is this one here. You can see there are other sizes and other resolutions, but this is the highest resolution. You can see you have 720p, you have 1080p, which is the highest resolution here, the highest resolution. So we're going to be clicking on the highest one to download. Now watch out and see what's going to happen. Most times when you click on it to download, you find out that the video will take time, and sometimes it will redirect you to another website. So all these websites, they are redirecting you to, they are the sponsors. So in this case that it has happened like this, all I need you to just click on the back button. Just click on the back. You can see now we have removed that page that is struggling to load, and we now have the download which we want to do, which is here now. So you can go ahead and click on this download button and allow it to load. You can see now it has appeared. Then click on this download button and you will see the video will start downloading. You can see now that it has started downloading. You can see, let me show you. So this is it here. You can see the file is downloading. So let's wait for it to finish downloading. So depending on the size of the video, it will take much time or less time depending on the size of the video. So let's wait for it to finish downloading. Okay, boom, it has finished downloading. You can see it's very easy as that. You can click on this open now to see the video. Boom, you can now see I now have it on my device. I can play it without going to YouTube to look for it. So let's play it and see. So that's exactly the video. So this is how you can create, how you can download video from YouTube, any video of your choice or audio. Just go ahead and make use of this because it is totally free. So guys, if you get value from this video, please hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and turn on all the notification bell, and please like this video so that YouTube can show this video to other people, and this will also help this channel to grow bigger. Love you all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.